What's cracking, gamers? Today I'm gonna do a little update. Going full tism today. I am working on procedural animation, trying to do procedural weapon manipulation animations. I am unable to find anything like this online, so I'm treading new ground, and I'm not sure exactly if this is gonna work out, but I'll explain what's going on. Here is a rudimentary gun. My thought is the hand goes from handguard. Oh, that's the barrel. Hold on. Goes from the handguard to the charging handle to the magazine to the bolt release and back to the charging handle in whatever order is necessary. And my thought when I was looking at this is when I was like manipulating it myself, there's sort of a space around the gun that the hand respects. And if I was able to create a set of nodes where the hand wraps around the handguard, and there's a node right here. It's like, okay, hand goes to here to clamp it. Hand goes to here to clamp. Hand goes here. And then, okay, hand needs to move to the charging handle. So I create a set of satellite nodes that sit outside the gun that the hand has to pass through in order to get to the charging handle. So from the top, the hand, if this is the hand guard, the hand moves out towards the charging handle and back. And ideally this would be a nice curve. So my adventuring took me to Stack Exchange. I was looking for using lerps, but non-linearly. So a non-linear interpolation, but using lerps. And this chap right here described how to make a Bezier curve with multiple lerps. Simultaneously, you are creating a lerp from point 0 to point 1, and at the same time from point 1 to point 2. And that's what these two green dots describe. That's one lerp, that's the second lerp. And then you have a third lerp, which is following along this line created between the two. So here in Godot, I created a new scene. I created 3 points. These three 3D markers, and a box to move between the 3 points. And then I took that dude's script and I wrote it in GD script. And here's the result. After working out my problems, I got it to lerp between those 2 points smoothly. I tried rotating the target points, but it wasn't respecting the rotation until I applied global position. I don't know why it wouldn't work when I was doing 2 global, parentheses, the vector 3 position, but it wasn't. Again, I don't know why that is. I don't know why it respects global position, but not 2 global, and then inserting the vector 3, but here we have it. It lerps from one point to a moving second point along a curve defined by those 3 points.